See her how she flies, golden sails across the sky, close enough to touch, but be careful if you try. Though she looks as warm as gold, the moon's a harsh mistress. The moon can be so cold. Well, I hope that gives you some ideas about the moon. But if you want to come to a workshop and learn how you can write tales of hidden light, short fiction, and memoir, join me on Saturday, May 31st, where I have the honor to work with professional editor Kristen Tatro. And take a look. This is what you need to register for the workshop. It's going to be from 11 a.m. until 12:30 p.m. Pacific time. And it is a bargain. Kristen is going to share her best tips and resources for writing impactful short stories and memoir. And I'll be there to help you if you are planning to be part of the anthology and want to know how to submit and a little bit more about Redwood Writers. You don't have to be a member to attend this workshop, but you don't want to miss it. Kristen is the best. She has world-class knowledge, and she is an amazing and generous presenter. I'm Judy M. Baker, Editor-in-Chief of Moonshadow, Tales of Hidden Light, the 2025 prose anthology for Redwood Writers. And if you're not yet a member, you may just want to join us because only members of our club can submit to the anthology. And it is going to be amazing. So don't miss out. All you have to do is scan this QR code or enter this link and you'll be on the registration page. See you on the moon.